Tesla Model S has only run 100,000 kilometers and the battery pack is broken. The car cannot be driven. The owner towed the car over and we repaired it. The first step to open the battery pack is to unplug the 4-wheel soft connector in this direction.
Please feel free to like, subscribe, forward, and reward to support the Der Spiegel and DNDN columns.
This battery pack has 16 battery packs. There are 7 battery packs on this side. There are also 7 battery packs on this side. There are 2 battery packs here. 1 battery pack is Rikawa. So the 53rd is the 53rd.
The battery module is removed from the 9th module. This is TV module No. 9. Let's disassemble the dial board and test the battery voltage.
Let's measure the No. 53 battery for the second time. It's 36. No. 54 is also 36, not 1 point ONEV and 4 point NINEV, so the battery is fine. I found it.
Remove the rust-colored capacitor from the place where the oil in the material version is corroded by water.
Solder 2 new capacitors and restore the purchased version. Assemble the battery module back to the stacking terminal of the battery department. Give the control society and watch the line. Now read it.
Pack the battery and try it. The car will start running normally.